Mjamaa,
Mm.
si ingia YouTube, tuko live YouTube.
Sawa, acha niingie.
Ingia YouTube.
Niko huko.
Enda kwa FOREX Professor.
Ingia.
Umeingia live.
Mm.
Bahore kiraiki hau uguo tugithiaga na mbere. Takasani azae kutradeaga hapa hivi live kiasi. Hii YouTube ndio imetikia kuingia live, hizi zingine hazijitikia bado. Yeah, very soon, very soon. Mwangalie hizi vitu bwana. Zinanitandika alafu zinashuka zaidi yangu. Daji kakewa Yeah, so let's move. Kwani umetoka?
Acha nikuja, acha niingie, acha nirudi.
Umerudi? Okay. Tabu comment ka comment kamoja hapo. Sijui comments zinafaa kuingilia wapi. Yes. So you can see GPSD is currently on bulls and on bearish. It's currently, the trend is on bear. Yes, Mr. Levis, hi. Yes, can you send me that picture? Yes, so guys, welcome to the live stream. This is the Forex Professor Academy, and currently here we are doing live trading. And as you can see, I'm also a scalper, and we currently have already gotten like 4 setups in the session. So we are trading the XAUSD, that's the gold, the GPSD, and Bitcoin. Currently we are having some good moves on gold and GU. So any comments, any regards, anything, you can just ask it on the comment section. If you have any question on anything, just ask at the comment section. Yes, if you have any question on which currency pair also you want us to check, if you have any asset that you want us to check how it's performing, just ask at the comment section and we'll see how. So we are all still on holds on GPSD. We are trailing our stops. So currently on stops trading, we are at 1:5. 1:5 scalping all the way. So I still think that the GPUs continue going down. As I can see, we have 55.7% of sellers on GUE. On GU. On GU. So if you have any currency that you want us to check, please at the comment section, we're going to check it immediately. Yes, guys, if you have any currency that you want us to check, you can ask, you can check it immediately. Let's put some song. You don't like trading when you are bored. You have some song there. Yes. Yes, guys, so if you have any question, just ask in the comment section, or if you have any asset that you want us to check and see it's or where it's moving or where it's heading. So as still we are seen on the trade on GU, we are currently at a one. Let me see. Yes, you have down. Now we are currently at 1:6 RR. Currently at 1:6 R. Remember, we are trading our stops. We are trading our stops. So this is the Forex Professor Academy. Any question any asks, ask it at the comment section. Mr. Levis. Yes, which asset did you say you want us to check on? Yes. The GBPSD, yes, we are still on bears on GBPSD. Yes, and we are trading our stops. We are currently at a 1:6. Oh yeah, GU. Trend line. Oh, up the uptrend. Yeah, yeah. If you had an trend line here, as you can see, the price. Uh-huh. Oh, yako 1:7 nimesha hit. Yeah, okay. So for me, I'm still running on 1:6 RR. See if the price still continue moving down. See if it still move down. So that I can pull over. So guys, if you have any question, just ask there in the comment section. Any question, any asset that you want us to check. Still running. Yes, any question in regards. Wanaona watu wanaingia wakitoka bwana. Wanaingia kamoja wanatoka, sasa umebaki kamoja, unabaki soro. Lakini ni live stream ya kwanza. Yetu advertise tuone kama tukifungua show utapata watu wa kuuza, bado tukajiuza peke yetu. Yeah? Naona hii imenyorosha 1:6 imeexitia hapo 1:6. Nikwambia after no uzuri wa scalping, you do not have to put the TP. Una trail tu stop loss. Mpaka penye price inaacha kumove. Hauna yuko like umefungiwa mahali. Very very good way to scalp. Umeangalia hiyo GU kanga nini umezi differentiate GU na GP ama umemuta angalia na trade GPSD ama Euro USD. Kwa 5 ama kwa 1 minute? Yeah?
Niko fine.
5. Kwa 1 minute bwana. Hey! Ai, si ati hii buda nao bwana ungekula msuri. Hiyo si ati. Oh, nimeshika. Oh, ulikuwa unasema hii trend line. Sasa mimi naichora kwa 5 minutes. Kwa 1 minute.
Mimi nimechapa.
Unasema hiyo breakout.
Basi ndio hiyo break up, alafu wewe ukifikia hapo juu ina tamu inateremka. Na form hamba yenye mimi naangalia.
Si ati hiyo nayo ingekuwa entry kali sana kwa hiyo level. Hata venye irudi tu kwa hiyo trend line. Na kuna order broker cross hadi. Hiyo si ati. Mtu anaona tu trade tuzuri wakati tumeenda. Wakati huko kwa market. Account bado na trade?
$25.
Bado janyorosha hadi moja. Unafaa. Jaribu uone ka at least. Okay, utie kabra man. Na risk 10. Kumbuka risk $10 per trade. Si 25. Risk 10. Yes guys, welcome to the trade session. Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Poa poa. Yes, you can see Mickey Mouse. Yes, Mickey Mouse. Any suggestion on any trade, on any asset that you might want us to check on? My friend Mickey. Yes, I can see Mike trades gold on. Yes, here we trade. We also trade gold. Actually, gold is my best currency pair, or my best trading commodity, because of how it moves well. It really moves well. So, but we don't. I not only trade the gold. I trade gold, GU, and BTC. So, Mickey. Okay, gold. So let's look at gold. So for me, gold, I was still on bulls. I had a first trade. I'm a scalper actually. So long term gold is still on bulls. That's long term. But currently, I don't think that we are gonna be heading anywhere. But unless it breaks the open zone. Because still ranging on this market open gap ya jana. Kama ulikuwa kwa market jana. So if you're in the market yesterday, there was this market open gap here, and I still think that it's gonna range on that point until it breaks. So gold, tuangalie, see that the footprint. So Mr. Elvis, what do you think on gold? Yes? Gold is ranging. What I can see on gold is that price is really ranging on gold. Mickey, do you have any setup, or what do you think also on your side? because on my side I think gold is range until it breaks this zone. It's ranging because even you can see at the depth of the market, that country no trades been opened. In a range sana. Yeah. That's the best option actually. The best option is also being bullish. I'm also bullish on gold. I'm also bullish. But until it breaks this range, first we have a proper pullback. Don't think. Well, Levis, where Nini view up Zako? Because until it pulls back to this view up, I cannot precisely make any decision. Yes, still not tapped. So Mickey, are you a scalper, an intraday trader, or a swing trader? So looking at the gold sentiment, hey Mickey, what kind of a trader is an intraday swing trader with scalp entries? Hey, Mr. Mickey, you're an intraday swing trader, or you analyze on swing time frames, and then take trades on the lower time frames. Oh yeah, so you are an intraday and both are swing. So you swing on gold and still intraday on gold. Okay. Levis. So Levis, are you a swing trader, scalper, or an intraday, Mr. Levis? Oh, I see. So you enter on 1 minute to have tight stop losses and long take profits for maximizing your profits. That's a very good move actually. Wow. So do you trade fundamentals, Mike? Mike, do you trade fundamentals? Why? Are you sure? Does fundamentals really follow price action? Or does price action follow fundamentals? Mickey, I don't think fundamentals follow price action. It is for price action that follows fundamentals. Oh, so or you don't need to guess fundamentals. So you okay? What I think you are trying to say is that you do analysis and then you follow what your technicals are saying towards the fundamentals, right? Yeah, yeah, okay. That's a good direction to most of. Okay, yeah, but okay, for me actually, I just do the analysis on fundamentals. Then I use fundamentals to track price action. Because for me, I believe price follows what actually the currency or how the currency is performing. That's what I believe on my side. So Mickey, are you a full-time trader, Mickey? Wow, wow. Used to be a guru of fundamentals back in 2018, 2019. What happened? Can I add someone to live? Mickey? Oh, yeah. Now with this. Mickey, can someone add someone to live? I wish to add you to my live currently instead of just typing there. I don't know how people are. I can add anyone here. Can I add you to live? Yeah. Na after hiyo actually natafuta hiyo feature na sioni. Can you request live? Hebu angalia kama inaweza kuwa na maripu. You can request live. I don't think I cannot see any option. Okay. Hata mimi sijaona. I've not seen that option. Yes, I'm a full-time trader. Full-time. I'm a full-time trader. Nothing else. I trade the London session and the New York session, and I'm a scalper as well. Mickey, have you ever tried to trade other currencies? Surely, surely, Mickey, you can look for other currencies just for fun. Hey, na wewe ulikuwa mkali. You used to trade everything. Current like una trade GU, una trade GBP ama ulikuwa trade forex, commodities, Bitcoin, nini crypto. Ama tu ni zote yenye imeingilia umepanda tu unapitia naye. Okay. For me, like okay, last year I used to trade gold peke. Ni trade gold sana peke yake. The thing with gold, when you decide to just become a scalper and you are trading only one currency, it becomes uh, very difficult to scalp actually because you only have one currency to trade. When the price is choppy, you do not have any setups. And as a scalper, you get up to around 10 setups in a day. So it becomes difficult to trade. So I decided to join in other currencies like the GU and Bitcoin. That was my reason. And Nikuulize, have you ever tried like just to become a scalper? I think scalping is so good than swing trading. Yeah, also, yeah. Okay, for me, mostly maybe 150 pips. Depending, you also I don't have a stop. I don't have like targets or take profits. I just I trade. Me not trading stop loss. So sina targeted take profit. So mostly depends. If the trades goes well, you can get up to 200 pips from scalping. Yeah. Okay. So for me maybe around 100. Ikienda sana huko over 150. So I really depend on leverage. Kama broker inipatie leverage hapo sana tutako sana. I depend on leverage. I maximize those small pips kama 20, 50. Yes, so how do you think about the expected GDP today and PCE? Order block? Which order block? On gold? Order blocks. Okay. You don't know about order blocks? Okay, I'm not getting you. What should I read it again? Oh, order book. Oh, okay. Order book is used to place orders. Ama si ndio unaongelelea the order book for where to see where institutions are placing the orders. Oh, that one. This one. Yeah, so this is not the order book, this is the depth of the market. So it's still an order book, but this one tells me exactly who are at the exact point. Nani wanaingia at that exact point. That's what it tells me. But for the other order book, ile ingine yenye nakupatia passive orders, it tells you where the institutional places the orders, like they have been placing. Maybe if for gold, kuna wenye wameweka orders kwa 48.40, kuna wenye wameweka kwa 48.18, but currently inakwambia penye exact price nani wameweka orders exactly at that point. That's work of the depth of the market. So for the order book, I don't use it because I'm a scalper. Hiyo situmiagi because I'm a scalper. I use this one, the one that I'm seeing where orders are being placed currently. But for the other one, I don't use it. It is for hiyo ni intraday traders na swing traders. If I decide to use that one, hey, hiyo itanipoteza. Ama sio ulikuwa unaulizia? To the left. Hii. To the left niko na charts. Sina ama unaongelea gani to the left? Yes, it's the same thing. Depth of the market and order book is the same thing. It's the same thing. The thing with depth of the market and order book, the order book inakupea like precisely kwenye limits ziko. Let me use it. Actually, let me add it here. The depth of the market, the order book inakuonyesha kwenye institutions waliweka, like wanaweza kuwameka, let's say kutoka price penye iko wameweka like sell orders like 500 pips. So inakuonyesha kwenye orders zenyewe ziliweko, but depth of the market shows you where orders are being placed currently. Sema kama tuko kwa sahi, tuko kwa 43 wa 48.33, hapo kwa 48.33 utakwambia nani wanaingia na nani wame exit, if they are passive orders or aggressive orders. That's what I'm gonna show you. But for the order book, hiyo inakuonyesha kwenye price ziko before the price comes, the limits are being placed, but the order book shows you the exact orders that are being placed at the exact price. So the same thing for showing you orders. Let's do. So where do you use the depth of the market or the order book? Okay, so hiyo order book ndio hii. So this shows you exactly where we have massive trades. Kama kuna mtu alikuwa ameplace kama hapa hivi on 48.36, there is over 0.8% of sales from that particular point. So it shows you at the exact point penye kuna orders mingi ama penye kuna limit orders, the aggressive orders or the limit orders. So if you can see currently here at 48.20, there is like 0.26% of buy limits expected from that particular point. Oh, so you created a system to where unaweza jua kwenye kuna buyers na sellers. Okay. So for me, I don't use for me also situmia order book because by the time yasema ati nikusaidia, the price have moved. So I just stick to depth of the market and inaonyesha penye price iko currently. But I can see on gold, okay, yes, I can see. Okay, do you use 5 minutes? Do you on I can see the buyers are trying to push, or the buyers are trying to push the market to the upside. Let's see who are in control. Okay, so which time frame is ndo unatumia? Najua kuna sasa unaangalia forecast what you are expecting for the whole week. Kuna sasa una analyze for the days trades higher entry. So what time frame for the days trades? Because on 5 minutes I'm seeing the buys are trying, and we have over 51.5% of buyers on the sentiment. Okay. So Mickey, what are you expecting on today's fundamentals? Because okay, do you trade New York session? Okay. Yes, I trade Proforms. Yes, I trade Proform, and I also trade my I trade also broker accounts. I trade Proform and also a broker account. I prefer Proforms. It's better risking pesa yenye si yako than kurisk pesa yako. Also, still also, the advice also still on your money, because Most of the prop firms do not allow news trading, na napenda sana kutrade akina NFP na CPI. I really like trading them. So since I cannot use the prop firm, I just fund on my broker account. So do you trade fund? Do you trade haven't GU checked on GU? Una trade GU? I thought una trade one currency. But for GU, I had my 2 hour time frame or my 2 hour time frame trend being broken. So I was expecting for the price to retest, then it was a kupanda. For GU, still I'm on bulls, maybe up to 1.3448. Oh, gold. So okay, you are on fundamentals, you are expecting everything to be higher. For me, I'm not expecting everything to be higher. If you watched yesterday's speech on Trump, aliongelelea on prices going down. So this na huyu jamaa I don't joke with him. Akisema kitu inaendaga hivyo. So for prices and PCE, but for GDP yenyewe I'm expecting iende chini for GDP. So gold will be on bulls. If everything comes as expected, kenye mimi na expect kwa Kenya kulingana kenye Trump alisema jana, I'm expecting the dollar to fall because prices are gonna be going down. So if the dollar falls, then gold will pull to the upside. So still on your expectation gold iende juu, inaweza enda juu. So kuna hizo mpango on higher chances. I'm still expecting gold to go high because the dollar it's gonna be weak. So for GU, I'm still on buys on bulls for GU on the longer time frames. Mike, you trade patience game too. Mike umezeekea huku 7 years. We. Mike, actually, where are you located? Unajua unaweza kuwa you are around. Mike, what's your location? You might be around. Yes. Hi, Maestro. Hi. Hi, bro. Yeah, you're not here. You can talk. Hiyo tunaweza ongea nyuma ya tent. Yeah. Okay. Maheso, how do you want me help you? How do you want to be helped? Maheso Choundary. Yes, bro. How do you want me to help you? Mr. Choundary, you forgot your mirror up keys. So if you forgot your keys, you need to find someone with the level of your account. If your account, you can find someone with at the level of your account, then do a transfer to that person, and then the person maybe can withdraw for you. Because if you forget the passkey, there is no any way to retrieve your passkey. So the only option is to transfer your funds to someone you trust. So you need to find someone who you trust to fund, and then you transfer all your funds to that person. Then the person can withdraw for you, and the account needs to be of the same level. Previous lows on gold. Lows. Which time frame? Yeah, lows. No. Which time frame are you talking? Lows ya time frame gani? But as I can currently, let me see. Mini of 1 minute. Paste. Yes. Mickey, which levels specifically? But based on yes, we can. We can. We can, because currently I can see we have a lot of buyers than sellers. Like we can over like 2% of buyers and the 2% of sellers. That's on the sentiment. Institutions like to target where more people are. Yeah, so we can drop, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to drop over the previous lows. Are you talking of the previous day's lows? Because if you got trapped by this view up here, I don't think itaweza kushuka zaidi hapo. Maybe it pumps from that zone ipande ama ipushiwe na news zenye tuna expect 6, because we're expecting some news later in the evening, a New York session, so maybe it's the direction from then. Intraday low, intraday low inakuwa 1 hour time frame. The time frame for intraday is 1 hour. At 7:22. Mr. Chondari, please use English. We don't understand the language. Please use English. Mr. Chondari, if you want to be helped. Mickey, 47.72. So this zone here. Don't use order book. My network is lagging. It's 72. Oh, nusu za leo. Chances ya kubreak, I don't think. Mickey, I don't think the price will break these levels. I don't think it will break. I don't even think if it, hata sioni kama itafika huko chini. Or what do you think? Mickey, what do you think about that 47? What makes you think or feel like inaweza break 47.72? Sielewi kenye umeandika. I want don't get your comment. Or pullback. Okay, so for your pullback, maybe Pangu, if I was trading that, most probably if it breaks this view up, but not unless it breaks this view up, that's when I can say maybe there's a pullback to 47.72. But if it get broke here, I think that would be the pullback to push the price higher. Oh, you wasn't looking for it to get broken. It was just an anticipation for pullback. Okay, so Mickey, I want to end the live session. I will be back on the New York session. Currently, I'm done for London, so I'll come for the overlap. I'll be back for the New York session. So let's meet on the New York session.